Hey y'all, let's tackle these upper control arms today. Alright, today we're gonna put on the chassis part online upper control arms. So as you see, I got the 26-inch Ford F100 off. Let me address up in here what we're gonna need to do. First, I'm gonna take the other wheel off on the other side. All right. It's dusty, it ain't even been driven. Wow. Okay, just pop those on real quick. Got the pretty little green airbag uppers on. They moved this wheel in an inch. As you can see, the tilt now, because it used to be out here, now that it's tilting in. So these are adjusted all the way in. I can adjust them as I need them for camber. So that's that part right there. I'm not gonna bore with you. We put them on. I'm gonna take the bottom bag loose now and attack the bottom. Boy, those look a lot better. Great articulation. I was gonna film it, man, but I caught hell. So I was like, man, had some issues, still got some issues with the back. And then my toe got way out of alignment. I don't know what the hell happened to my toe, but I had to take the rack loose, so all that's probably all discombobulated. But this one gave me the most hell, y'all. It's the one that's crazy off. So I'll take those out tomorrow. I'm tired. But they do look like they sit in a little bit further on the inside of the fender well now. So I should have the clearance I need to bolt all this stuff up when I'm ready to rock and roll on that, y'all. So here it is, quick and easy. I would have filmed it more, but there's videos online of it, so y'all can check it out there. Yeah. Well, drink time is done. Got the 1-inch narrower arms in. Man, that's so much better. The wheels are sitting in. They're sitting way in now, bro. 1 inch seems like more than that when it's aired out. And I got a whole hand length. A little tight up front, but it's in. Yep. Sitting there watching ruckus now, but yeah, I got them in, y'all. Yep, in that piece, and they articulate all the way up too. All the way down, all the way up. I readjusted my bag so they're not smashed on the inside edge. They're more flat now. But yeah, they're all the way in. Same height. They don't touch the fender anymore. So yeah, I like the way they're sitting inside of there. Yep, they're sitting inside real nice now. That's right. Ruckus on the way. One more update. That's it for this weekend on this. Next thing I'm gonna jump on, y'all, so I can start my exhaust, so I can fire this boy up. It's this damn Z-bar. So I had to fabricate a bracket. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I had to fabricate a bracket. And it works. Like I said, it articulates where it's supposed to go, but the lining up to the clutch pedal down there got to get fixed. So I got to take this bracket back off, and I'm about to move that spot. But I got plenty of angle iron, so I'm gonna make a new one. I'll film all that, move it back, So back this way, I'm gonna have to customize this bracket here from this point here. It's got to go to this hole right here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but from this hole right here to this hole here. Boom. Yeah, so from here to here. So, yeah. That's what's up next on the record. So once I get that done, then I can start pulling off this header manifold, forming up where I want to tack it, form up where I want to form, because I know where my steering column's going now. I know where my Z-bar clutch bar is at. I know all my suspension is at now under the bottom. I can make my zoomies out the side. That's what I'm gonna do, zoomies. Yeah, he gonna be loud. So that's right, baby, Ford on Fords. Till next time.